Hey everybody on YouTube, thank you for tuning into my channel. Today we have a 2004 Mercury Grand Marquis LS, this GS rather. This happens to be Ultimate Edition, but for what we're doing our purposes today, it doesn't matter. What we're doing is the radiator fan assembly. As you can see here, I've disconnected the pigtail right there. And what you're going to do is take out this 8mm bolt. You got another 8mm bolt right there. Focus. Focus. Oh, you can kind of see it there. Then you have your 8mm here. And I believe it's either 8 or 10 down there. Well, we got to get that out of the way. And, oh, there she is. Right there. All right. There we go. So, yeah, let me undo that. We'll be right back. Okay, so here we go. That was the power steering reservoir that was here, by the way, and I stand corrected. That bolt that was there was 8mm. This one that was holding the coolant reservoir was 8mm, and the one that was holding this tab right here was 8mm. So 4 8mm, and then the unit should slide out as long as it's been disconnected. And here we go. And it's going to take 2 hands. I'll be right back. So here is the assembly. And I wanted to point this out right here. You have your 2 transmission lines. It was a little bit difficult for me to record that, so I figured I'd just do it when we're outside. Also, you notice here, there's no bolt hole. That's because it's a slide tab. Sorry about that. Let's see if we can see it. See right there? That's the notch. There's the other side right there, along with the petcock. But that's what the radiator fan sits on. And you also have the lower radiator hose, which is supported by this bracket that's in there as well. So you may have to remove that, just like that. Just these 2 right there. That's simple. And the rest is your radiator fan assembly. So you can go into testing of it, which you would do right here. Right, you got the 3 prongs. And I believe you want less than, I forget what it was, 6 volts, 10 volts, if you're testing it. But this one seems to be making a large rattle noise, and there's the culprit. Very, very common on these. Usually after a couple 100,000 miles. Unfortunately, this vehicle only has, I don't even know, like just over 100,000 maybe. I got to get you that mileage. Doesn't matter though, but that's the problem. It rattles. When it spins, it cavitates, and it makes what sounds like a rod knocking noise. So make sure you get it diagnosed properly, and that's it. We'll be back. I just got to get the new one, and basically, if you want to tune out now, just reverse the steps. Make sure you put the holster there, transmission lines. You got the 4 8mm, and the slide tabs that it goes back in. Plug it in. Turn the key forward, start it up, put the AC on, and you should be good to go. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching my channel. I don't know why we're so blurry. I'm going to have to fix that. Please share or like this. Share it if you know somebody who could use it. And any questions, give us an email or just contact us. We're happy to help you. Have a great day. Thank you, YouTube.